Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to be able to offer to the market the 68 plate Toyota CHR XL HEV 1.8 automatic hybrid. It's finished in magnetic grey with dual tone alloys which look absolutely superb on this car. It's a one owner car with full Toyota service history. The CHR has futuristic looks on the outside, sporting, as mentioned, the dual tone alloys and the body coloured rear spoiler. I've had a look at the bodywork and the alloys on this car, and the car is absolutely superb condition. All Luscombe Suzuki cars come fully serviced, ready for the new owner. As you can see, the car looks immaculate. Let's take a look inside. As you open the door, you're greeted with leather height adjustable seats and all the latest in technology. The 18-inch multimedia display offers crisp graphics with sat-nav, DAB radio, the Bluetooth aids you in keeping connected with the outside world on your journey. The self-charging hybrid system gives you the peace of mind that you're helping the environment while also saving money, because the car achieves an average of 72 miles per gallon. Arriving at your destination, you will find it easier to park with the auto park function. The car's got front and rear sensors. Upon arriving at your destination and leaving the car, you're aided by the card activated keyless entry and lock system. All in all, a stunning example of the Toyota CHR. I do not anticipate this car being here for very long, as it's a much sought after car. So to book a test drive, please do give us a call, 0113 271 2288, and thank you for watching the video.